That's an AI. I don't know what that was. Oh, another guy down here. Probably an AI though. Yep, that was an AI. I feel like I might be in a bot lobby. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I might be in a bot lobby. It's kind of weird. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is really weird. It's a freaking Christmas skin. Okay, that was a weird fight. Like, really weird. This guy had a ton of materials. Somebody's got one of them wolf thingies. Oh, hello. This is a sweat. Why are we fighting like this at the edge of storm? Easiest mythics secured of my life. Oh my gosh. Where'd he go now? Can I get him? Oh man. Got away. Just gonna have to try and get over here onto this launch pad. It's probably gonna land in a bush though. Or the corn, you know. He's probably in here. I'll have to just... Yep, I knew it. Sorry, bro. You're not getting that high ground. Yep. You're not getting that high ground. Thanks for the epic lever action shotgun. Oh, look at that. What is this guy doing? Oh, he's one of those wannabe sweats that does a cone in a box even though they're no good at the game. Nope, 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 no rapid fire SMG for you today. Oh, I couldn't reset that. Wow. Yep, nice rapid fire. Nice rapid fire SMG kit. Oh, you know what? I got keys. Well, I'd love to open this vault. This guy's gonna make this impossible. Yep, okay, that was scary having to march right through all my builds like that, but... Alright, now I can open the vault. Hopefully. Hopefully no one's up here camping. Yep, there is someone indeed. I just opened my vault, kid. Yeah, you better run, kid. Yeah, you better run, kid. Yeah, he's just camping in the back seat. I don't know what his idea of camping was, but that's definitely not how you do it, bro. Build. What was that? Oh my gosh.
Bruh.
Oh, I got shot in the back by some coward who's third partying. Yeah, okay, cool. You gonna do that again? Better have had materials for me, bro. At least some sort of resources. You want to fight like this right on the edge of circle, kid? Yep, okay. You really want to fight like that on the edge of zone. Oh, come on. Yep, okay, I don't know what that guy's plan was, but I don't think he wanted to do that. Wow, okay. Well, I got him down to 1 HP, and he's gone. Nope. Reload my RPG a minute. No. Woo! Let's go. Man, I love the lever action so much.